Hello guys. Now I will going to show how to change your Gmail account password. First of all, log in your Gmail account in your web browser. Here I already log in. Then in right side top you can see my logo. Then click Google account. Now you can see, now click personal info. Then here you can see the password. If you want to change, then click here. Then system automatically log out. Then enter your existing password. Here I input my password. Then click next. Then here give you one skin to you. Input your new password. Which one want to your, here I input. Then confirm again your password. Then click change password. Now your password is changed. If you want to check it's working or not, then log out your account. Here I am log out. Then click your account. Then input your new password to check. Then click next. My new password is working. You must be your password also working. Now Google give you one notification to you, your password was changed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.